2000.
Is it?
It's a KX 2000 watt.
If you want to do it.
And we're going to heat up this
What's
two
this?
CPUs.
What is this? We've got lying here.
This is a
deassembled
PS3.
Look at all this crap that's lying about.
Batsman.
Woo!
The wife is going to go mental. I've even took up to the Bacardi.
Aye. That's as if it doesn't work.
Aye.
Yeah.
Start ruining
Right. This is how you clear your PS3.
Us showing on YouTube. Yeah, get this up.
Bit like.
Now you've got to do it in a circular motion.
Yep.
That's this wild one.
If this works, well, who knows? You've got to get a bash of you. Yeah? Mind 2 minutes in the board and 15 minutes in the sinks, is it? Is it?
Okay.
We'll just get a minute in the board and 2 minutes in each sink. This is wild, man. Good motion here, Richard. Good motion.
Aye, thanks. It's all on the wrist.
It's all on the wrist, right?
The boy said once you get a board up to temperature, isn't it?
Put it in the oven.
Hit in the oven.
Put it in the oven.
We're going
2 minutes in the oven. 180 degrees.
Up to
Gas
home.
mark 5.
up to the home bakery and the softies.
In with the self-taste for 5 minutes. Oh, good smell of burning plastic kicking about now, so that should be pretty good.
A fair glow coming off of the fucking the doodah.
Please don't attempt this at home, folks.
If you do, get an adult to help.
Aye,
One that's responsible. They like us two idiots.
aye. A couple of responsible adults. Any minute now the wife could come in and things could get pretty scary.
Pretty heated.
Pretty heated. That in itself might fix this heat sink. Happy with that? And if that's 2 minutes it's been on.
I think so.
Get a bash.
It's got to sit for like 20 minutes
That's
to
right.
cool off. I think Liam's got to sit for 20 minutes to cool off
Aye.
if I've seen this.
What the fuck's going on here? Like,
Mace up a maid in a PlayStation and
Aye.
100 bits.
that's it. So if we're getting at 20 minutes,
You fucker, that's hot.
put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge for
No,
20.
don't touch it.
Right,
Just
leave it for 20.
leave it for 20. Cup of tea time, boys.
Cup of tea. We'll come back with part 2 of how to fuck your PlayStation up in
your
about
marriage.
20 minutes. Aye.